Paano gumawa ng pivot table? First, select any cell in your worksheet. Control plus A, Control plus A, Control A. Maseselect lahat ng data or ng cell na merong value and data. And press Control T, Control T. Make sure to check this box. My table has headers. Kasi yung data natin meron siyang headers, which is itong row ID, order date, ship date, etc. etc. And magkakaroon ng filter. After that, nakagawa na tayo ng pivot table. Lagyan natin siya ng name, which is accessible sa design tab and dito sa may properties. So, data, and then select any cell within your table. Press, punta tayo sa insert tab, pivot table. Press OK. And then gagawa siya ng panibagong sheet. Unahin muna natin yung bar graph. What if hindi nakalagay or hindi nag-appear kagad yung sidebar? If the sidebar didn't appear, pwede tayong pumunta sa or pwede nating i-click yung kahit anong cell na nasa loob ng box and then kusa siyang mag-a-appear. Pero kung hindi naman talaga, pwede nating again i-click natin yung cell within the box, then go to Analyze, Contextual tab, and then press this button, Filled List. And then meron mag-a-appear na 4 boxes, filters, columns, rows, and values. So for this purpose, I will use subcategory as my rows. So as you can see, nagkaroon siya ng row automatically. Accessories, appliances, art, binders, bookcases, etc. And then I will also use, and for the values, I will use the sales. I-click mo lang yan, hold, then drag. So pansinin nyo yung value niya, wala siyang comma. Pwede ka pumunta sa home tab, comma style, and kung ayaw mo na may decimal places, you can remove that. So, ayan, nakagawa na tayo ng isang pivot table. So, paano naman tayo makakagawa ng isang graph from such pivot table? Punta tayo sa Insert tab, Recommended Charts, Bar Graph, and voila! Have it. So, mapapansin niyo merong Sum of Sales subcategory, which is tinatawag na Filled Buttons, left click, and hide all filled buttons on chart para magmukhang neat yung chart natin. So kung gusto naman tanggalin tong legend, click mo lang yan and then press delete on your keyboard. And that's it. Now, if we look at this bar graph, mapapansin natin masyado siyang chaotic or hindi nicely arranged yung bars. So kung gusto natin from highest to lowest, we can do that. So i-unselect muna natin yan and select a particular cell that contains the value, which is the sales, kahit saan dyan, pero wag lahat, basta iisang cell lang. And then go to data tab, or I'm sorry, home tab pala. And then dito sa editing, press sort and filter. So smallest to highest. So pansin nyo kusang nag-modify yung bar graph, and ayan yung isa sa mga advantages of using pivot table. So now that we're done with the bar graph, let's try pie chart. Again, punta sa data sheet and go to insert tab, pivot table, okay, and then let's name this pie chart, enter. Instead of using subcategory, I'll be using what could it be, let's say category. So we have three categories: furniture, office supplies, technology. And for the values, I'll use sales again. Control A to select the pivot table, go to home tab, comma style, and adjust this decimal placing. And go to insert tab, recommended charts, pie chart. There we have it. Now, as I said earlier, if you wanted to remove this thing, press uh, left click on your mouse, hide all field buttons on chart. I don't think that removing this legend would be nice. We need that for indication. And since walang nakalagay na, or maybe gusto natin percentage yung mag-a-appear dito sa sum of sales. So pwede nating baguhin yan. So dito sa may values box, dito sa may lower left hand corner of your screen, i-click mo lang tong sum of sales, value field settings, show value as, percentage of grand total. Then that's it. However, hindi naman nakalagay yung percentage. So that is still confusing. So what are we gonna do? So data labels, data callout, and pwede mo itong i-adjust. And that's it.